What is ShopPay and how it works? You're shopping online. You find something you love. You're ready to check out. But then comes the friction. Entering your name, address, card info again and again. Enter ShopPay. A one-click lightning-fast checkout experience designed to make your life easier and your shopping way smoother. But what exactly is ShopPay and how does it really work? Let's break it down. ShopPay is a fast, secure checkout option created by Shopify, the platform that powers millions of online stores worldwide. It's built to save your payment and shipping info, so next time you see the ShopPay button, you can complete your order in literally seconds. No typing, no delays. And yes, it works across thousands of Shopify stores, not just one. Think of it like Apple Pay or Google Pay, but optimized for online stores built with Shopify. Now, let's talk about how it works. The first time you use ShopPay, you enter your info, name, email, shipping address, and payment method. Once that's saved, ShopPay stores it securely using PCI-compliant encryption. That means your data is protected and only you can access it. When you shop again and see the ShopPay button, you simply enter a code sent to your phone to verify it's you. That's it. One click and your order is placed. No need to re-enter anything ever again. Here's what makes ShopPay special: speed. According to Shopify, ShopPay is up to 70% faster than traditional checkout. Security. Everything's encrypted with two-step verification for peace of mind. Eco-friendly. For every order placed with ShopPay, Shopify offsets the carbon emissions from delivery. Installments. You can split payments into interest-free installments on eligible purchases. And yes, ShopPay works on both mobile and desktop. Let's talk about the Shop app, because it adds another layer to the experience. When you use ShopPay, you can also download Shop, the shopping assistant app that tracks your orders in real time, recommends shops you might love, and gives you instant access to your ShopPay history. No more digging through emails to find your tracking number. The app keeps everything in one place, clean, simple, fast. But here's a common question: is ShopPay safe? Absolutely. ShopPay is backed by Shopify's secure servers and it doesn't share your payment info with merchants. It also uses biometric verification on your device if available, like Face ID or fingerprint. So not only is it faster, it's actually safer than re-entering your card on every site. Now let's talk about the ShopPay installments feature, because this is a game changer for many shoppers. On eligible purchases, you can split the cost into 4 interest-free payments over time. No hidden fees, no credit checks, just a more flexible way to shop. You'll see this option clearly marked at checkout and is powered by Affirm, a trusted name in buy now pay later services. So who is ShopPay for? If you shop online even a few times a month, especially on Shopify Power Stores, it's made for you. It's designed to remove friction, boost trust, and speed up the checkout process. And the best part, it's free. You don't pay extra to use ShopPay, and there's no subscription or account fee. In a world where speed, security, and convenience are everything, ShopPay delivers all three. It's fast, it's safe, it's eco-conscious, and it just works. Have you tried ShopPay yet? Tell us your experience in the comments, and if this video helped you understand how it works, go ahead and hit that like button.